Understanding Homophones and Homonyms, a masterclass in contextual clues. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel where we break down English language mysteries into bite-sized learning nuggets. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of homophones and homonyms. More specifically, we're going to learn about using context clues to understand these tricky twins in spoken English. Before we get started with context clues, let's make sure we're clear on what homophones and homonyms are. In simple terms, homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings, while homonyms are words that are spelled and pronounced the same way, but have different meanings. Examples include rose, a flower, and rose, past tense of rise, for homonyms, and two, the number, and two, also, as well, for homophones. Now that we've refreshed our memory, let's understand context clues. These are hints in the sentence surrounding an unknown word or a word with multiple meanings, like our homophones and homonyms, that can help us figure out the word's meaning. They're like your personal linguistic detective helping you crack the code of English conversation. Context clues come in various forms. Sometimes, the sentence will provide a definition for the word. Other times, there'll be a synonym or an antonym close by that can help. Or, the sentence might include an example that clarifies the meaning, or the overall logic of the sentence can reveal the meaning. The real challenge and our focus for today is applying these context clues to homophones and homonyms. When you hear a word that could have multiple meanings, look at the rest of the sentence. What is the topic? What are the other words and their meanings? Can they guide you to the right interpretation? Let's look at an example. John, can you please pass the rose? Given the context, we can infer that rose here is likely to be a flower, not the past tense of rise. And there you have it. By paying close attention to context clues, we can demystify homophones and homonyms in spoken English. We hope this lesson aids you in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, keep noticing those clues, and soon, you'll be a master of understanding context in English speech. See you in our next video, and until then, happy learning!